I have a bad rear wiper on my 2009 Equinox. How do I know this? It leaves streaks, and this little rubber thing kind of tears off. This particular one, you can see here, you gotta pull the wiper away from the window. And then you'll push this little flap towards the back of the car, and then you can pull on the wiper. And then you gotta pull it even further away from the window and kind of sneak it off just like that. And now, to avoid shattering the nice window, you can take a rag, dirty or clean, in my case dirty, and lay it against the window just like that. So I have my replacement, and installation is just as simple as kind of poking a hook through at this weird angle and just pulling it until it latches on. There we go. And then you always want to test and pull back on it. So I'm going towards the right to make sure that it's not going to come off. But let's say that your wiper doesn't have this little hook thing on it like this one does. Well, because that's exactly what's happening here. It doesn't have that same little clip that this one does. So how the heck do you get it off? Once again, we're going to pull it away from the window and tilt it up like this. This part's very important. You might have to bend the end of it a little bit, but you have to bend it away. See this little tab right here that my finger's on? There's two of those. So you'll spread those apart and do the same thing. You'll push the wiper to the right, comes right off. So, hook style wiper, two different styles of clips for the actual blade itself. If this helped you out, like and subscribe.